it is spring, we are going to talk about things growing. And this story is called Rain Talk. What does this little girl have in her hand? An umbrella. That's right. Let's see. I'm going to need some help with this one. Bloop. Go the first fat raindrops. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Can you help me make that sound? Bloop, bloop, bloop. It sounds like it's raining in here. Into the soft summer dust on a country road. Each little drop digs a dark little hole, and the smell of wet dust tickles my nose. On the old tin roof of the garden shed, the drops all try to talk at once. Ping, ping, ding, ping, ping, ding. Can you help me do that one? Ping, ping, ding, ping, ping, ding. That sounds like rain. And they chuckle together as they run down the drain. It's raining harder now. Listen to the plip, 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 plip. Can I hear the rain? Plip, 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 plip. Oh, good job. Did that make your nose tickle? Mother Duck says, time to go for a swim. Does she mind the rain? What does a duck say? Oh, there are ducks in here today. Can I hear them a little bit more? Out on the highway, the raindrops bounce high and whoosh, hiss as the cars hurry by. Can we do that one? Whoosh, hiss. Good job. Headlights are coming on, reaching out to catch the silvery slants of rain. Now all I can hear is the bup, 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 bup. Can we do that one? Bup, 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 bup. That's the sound of the rain on my umbrella. And dropping and dripping all around. They're having fun. Who is she playing with in the rain? Her dog. What does the dog say? Mother says, come on in the house. And the rain tries to come in too. Flick, 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 flick. Can you do that, rain? Flick, 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 flick. Just like pebbles against the window pane. I'd rather stay outside. They were having fun. When I've had my supper and bath, I lie in front of the fire, and now and then a raindrop slips down the chimney to spit and sizzle on the logs. Spit! Can you do that one? Spit! Spit! I'm getting very sleepy here. Tucked into my bed upstairs, I try to stay awake and listen to the drum, 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 drum. Can you do that one? Drum, 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 drum. On the roof above my head, but my eyes just won't stay open. Tomorrow, I may find the rain all gone, with only a sparkle still caught in a spider web or on a flower. But I'll look first for a... What is that? A rainbow. How lovely. Look at all those colors. Good job.